Yeah, crack it open. Guilty as charged. That's a bit of a mark on the lens.
Right guys, it's Monday morning, start of a new week here at Suarez HQ. We're going to start by emptying the van, and the next thing we're going to do today is get 2 paintings ready, take to a client tomorrow.
Yeah, crack it open.
We've got a client tomorrow, and these are the 2 pieces we're going to take out. All wrapped, ready to go. Hey guys, it's now Tuesday, and I'm going to go and pick Adi up, and we are going to Hampshire to go and see a client with 2 paintings. Okay, just got to the clients. Let's go meet them. Hello Vicky, nice to see you. How are you doing? All right? Very good, thank you. Oh, there he is. Hello Paul, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Very good, nice to see you. That's my colleague Adrian.
How you doing? All right?
The voice behind me.
The voice behind
the
you.
camera.
That's the one. That's me. Guilty as charged.
So, how are you doing? You alright? Everything good?
Yeah.
Well, we've got a couple of paintings on board for you.
Fantastic.
We'll unstrap and we'll
Bring them in, yeah.
Fantastic.
Just follow up all the way through to the kitchen. We'll be in the kitchen.
Brilliant, thank you. You see this with the gold now, can't you?
Yeah.
You can only talk about the gold, but until you actually see it,
Yeah.
Exactly.
you don't realise just how it reacts to the light.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
that's the thing, you get different lights during different parts of the day in here, and you just come in here and you see different things all the time. With you're sitting down looking up, or you're standing and looking straight. It's just amazing.
I start looking for the little diamond flakes because I watched your YouTube where you painted it.
Yes,
and
there
you've
is
got-
diamond,
yeah.
diamond flake, yeah, that's
When
it.
Paul said that, I was like, right, we want that.
Well,
Yeah, got it.
you've done this the right way, haven't
Yes.
you? You're into this, aren't you? Well done. Well, what an awesome day. So we've just come back from Hampshire, and the clients have bought both paintings we took out to them, which is brilliant. And I have to admit, they look amazing, absolutely amazing, and they're really, really happy. So I call that a win for today. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give us a subscribe, click on that bell icon, and give us a thumbs up. Hey guys, it's now Wednesday at Suarez HQ. In the morning, lights are on, tons to do today. Always very excited, especially on a Wednesday, because it is live stream day. Right, so let me give you a quick update. I've got Adi on the phone trying to sort graphics cards out for a new workstation. We need a new workstation because of video editing, obviously, which is what we're doing to bring you the videos. But it's quite surprising what difference there is in component prices for computer equipment these days. So that's been a side issue for him for about an hour and a half, maybe a couple of hours now. And it's crazy trying to find best deals. So that's what he's doing. I'm just going to do a quick coffee, and then I'm going to go in the pod to start my prep in the paint room. One One of the great joys of doing this is when you take a painting that's been flat on the floor out of the paint pod for the very first time and pop it on the board behind me to photograph it, because it's the time when you really get to see it how it's intended, up on a surface where you can really get close and quite intimate with it. And I've just been looking at this one behind me, which we painted on a live stream, and it's just, well, words fail me. This is just everything I love in a piece of abstract art. So I'll be quiet now and give you a little bit to look at. Right then, that's another live stream done, yes. And it was a particularly epic one. Now, thankfully, it's time to go home. Yippee! Right guys, it's Friday. It's a grey, rainy day outside, but we're still here and it's still cold and we're still gonna get on and get things done. Okay guys, so we've just had a bit of a tidy up, got some rubbish ready to go down into the dumpster. So the next thing is to get cleaned up in here, hoovered, mopped, swept. I know, I do like that one. One of the jobs we're going to do today is to get a client's painting put into its frame. Now over here you can see a painting called Flame Front, and this is a mini version of it, and this, on the request of the client, is now going to go into a specially made frame, and that's what we're going to do next. Yeah, you're liking that.
That's good.
Okay.
There we go.
Magnificent, mate. Absolutely magnificent. Friday. We've still got plenty to do.
That's feeling pretty good actually, mate. So just get that. Once you're just on the edge, that's it, get it curling over.
Okay, have a look.
Have a look. Get the boy right, the boy right.
Oh yeah, look at
Oh
that.
yes.
Oh, she's a beauty. Yeah, that's fantastic, mate. Lovely
Yeah.
job.
What's it? A bit of a mark on the lens. Oh no, it's you.
I can't believe you've just done that and recorded it. Getting now towards the end of the day on Friday, and just behind me you can see a painting I was working on during live stream. So I'm going to carry on with that on Wednesday, just a background layer at the moment. So we'll finish that off next week. But I think for now, probably time we think about going home.
It's like I'm getting married, isn't it? I do.
Hello, Ted. Yes, that's plum at the bottom and then red at the top. That does look good, doesn't it?